What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for coming back, and if it's your first time viewing, thank you for viewing. Please remember to like and subscribe if there's anything that you see or hear that you're interested in. My tractor, my grandfather wound up taking it apart, redoing the wire harness wire by wire, because the wire harness I bought wasn't the one that was meant for this particular model, but he made it work. He made it happen. Since he had it all apart, he wound up sanding it all down and repainting it. It looks wonderful. So today what we plan to do is bring the inverter. He has a Schneider inverter that wound up going bad for some reason, so luckily he had a backup, and we're taking that one to get repaired. Hopefully it all goes well. That's the inverter right there. There goes my 4x4. Love that truck. I just got back from getting a haircut. We're gonna bring the inverter to get fixed, and then after that I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm gonna meet up with my uncle. Oh, one other thing I'm gonna do is my SR5, have to give it a tune-up. It doesn't run well, doesn't turn on right, so it needs a tune-up. There she is. She's sleeping in her garage, and my grandfather has a Chironja for me that was grown right on the property, completely organic, no pesticide. Oh, look at that beauty. Can't wait to taste that. So now we're about to head out, get started on our day. So wouldn't you know it, the guy doesn't repair the inverters. Why? Because he doesn't have a power supply to deal with the 24 volts. He can fix a 12 volt, can't fix a 24 volt. So my grandfather's a bit pissed. Now we gotta try to find another place. Hopefully we can. I'm gonna keep looking online, and fingers crossed, hopefully get a place to fix it, because it's a really good inverter and I don't want to lose it and buy another one. So now we're gonna go to the 129. We're gonna see if we get some avocados and some root vegetables and stuff like that. So we wound up copying 2 avocados, breadfruit, and passion fruit. And I mix it up with this. These are all root vegetables. Avocado there, banana, breadfruit, and sweet potato. So the time has come to give my 79 Corolla a tune-up. I bought this car as a birthday gift to myself a few months ago. I always wanted this car since I was a kid, and yeah, I haven't done anything to it, nothing. So obviously I'm gonna get the car painted. I already bought the seals all around. Gonna get the interior done, engine done, rebuilt, and make it whole ass. So yeah, so the car needs a tune-up because it starts off pretty rough and it doesn't run as smooth as I like. Let me turn it on. Wait, I'm gonna open the hood and set this up. Tell you what, it turns on at the first shot every time. Every time. You guys seen the video before? Maybe you haven't. I replaced the master cylinder. Can't wait to take this all apart. I want to refinish all the components. I'm debating on whether or not I should rebuild the engine to factory specs, or if I should go ahead and get 300 horsepower out of this thing. I do have another Corolla. It's a 82 1.8 station wagon. This is a 1.6. And I sort of feel like taking out this engine, rebuild it to factory specs, and put the 1.8 in there, and I can do whatever I want to it. And it really won't depreciate the value of the car. And of course, this is all going to get refinished. This, everything. The whole engine bay is going to get painted. I have the original rims to the car. Those are going to get painted to the same, the color that I'm going to make this car, which is going to be that mustard yellow. It's one of the original colors that come with this car. Alright. Alright, so I gave it some time to warm up. I'm just going to reverse it and give it a tune-up to see what it sounds like after this. Brought this from Harbor Freight. There aren't any Harbor Freights in Puerto Rico. Look at this quality. Back in the day, made out of metal. Today, made out of plastic. Number one rule, always clean the tools. So the filter that I took out is bigger than the one that they gave me, but the seal is the same exact size. Let's see what happens. Father straightened it out because I guess the guys, I don't know if it was the person that owned it or whoever he took it to get the oil changed, bent it so that way they don't have to remove this piece. They were being lazy, not us. Much better. Ay, papi, me voy a tener que curar. Me voy a dar una trilla. My grandma making bacalaitos.
Ah, dime. ¿A quién tú le envías eso?
Nada, esto va en el canal de YouTube mío. Now, after the tune-up, we noticed that the car is revving up way too high. So we have to adjust the carburetor, and my grandfather has this. I don't know how many of you have ever seen one of these. Look at this thing. ¿De qué año es esto? This is from like 1970 or something. And this is what they use to let me see. Put the amount of cylinders, and you pretty much tune the RPM with this. I've never seen this before, but he's gonna show me how to use it. See, it works for 4, 6, and 8 cylinders. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna start taking the housing off so we can get to the carburetor. And stay tuned.
chequear los vacuos, a ver si hay alguno dañado primero que nada. Voy a buscar el...
So the carburetor has these, the air pressure, and it winds up moving the parts. But anyway, this one, we just finished testing the 3. This one is bad. The reason why my grandfather decided to test them is because when we tuned up the car, we took out all the spark plugs and it was burning too rich. There was too much gas. So the spark plugs was black. So this wasn't working correctly. So now I'm just gonna go and replace this. Yo le compro que va ahí.
joyita que está ahí. ¿Cómo están? Dios los bendiga.
Ahora tengo las manos.
Este cajito, ¿cómo está? ¿Qué lo tiene guardado?